Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure you have the proper editor or admin permissions so changes save correctly. Open the page in the block editor. If you use Classic, enable the Block Inserter plugin to access modern controls. Once there, insert a button block and type a clear label that matches the action, like download or contact. Use the URL field to paste the link. If linking to a file, upload it to Media Library first so the destination is reliable. Once your button is in place, fine-tune its appearance so users recognize it as clickable. Use the block settings to change color, typography, border radius, and size. Make sure contrast meets readability needs. Then set alignment and padding. Check the responsive preview to make sure it doesn't overflow on small screens. If the link goes off-site, enable Open in New tab and add rel equals Nupener or Nofolo as appropriate to preserve security and SEO. To finish, add a custom CSS class for precise styling or include an area label so screen readers announce the action. This improves accessibility. Test your button by clicking through, verifying any analytics events fire, and previewing on several devices to confirm behavior. If the button fails, no link, wrong style, or missing click, inspect for plugin conflicts, confirm permalinks and URL are correct, and open the browser console for errors. Disabling a recent plugin often reveals the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.